The risk of the UK being tied to EU rules after Brexit remains unchanged. Despite the latest changes to the PM's deal, the Attorney General has said. Geoffrey Cox said there remains no internationally lawful means of leaving the Irish backstop without the EU's agreement. His updated legal advice is seen as vital to determining whether Tory Brexiteers ended up back the deal. Mr. Cox will answer MPs' questions in the Commons shortly. The last time Mrs May's withdrawal agreement was put to Parliament in January, it was voted down by a margin of 230. Political editor Laura Quinsberg said it would be a political miracle of historic proportions if Mrs May could overturn such a heavy defeat. The PM is due to address a meeting of Tory MPs at 11:30 GMT. An hour later, Mr Cox will update MPs on his legal opinion on the backstop, an insurance policy designed to prevent a hard border on the island of Ireland. In December, he concluded that the UK would not be able to leave the arrangement of its own accord and there was nothing in law to stop it enduring indefinitely. The government's senior law officer said the extra assurances won by Mrs May reduce the risk that the United Kingdom could be indefinitely and involuntarily detained in the backstop if talks on the two sides' future relationship broke down due to bad faith by the EU. But he added, however, the legal risk remains unchanged that if through no such demonstrable failure of either party, but simply because of intractable differences, that situation does arise, the United Kingdom would have, at least while the fundamental circumstances remain the same, no internationally lawful means of exiting the protocol's arrangements, save by agreement.